Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. I hope that you will have completed your homework. Today, I shall discuss with you to find a square root by long division method. By long division method. Long division method. Dear students, we have to find example 1, also taken 625. To find the square root of 625 by long division method. First of all, write a number between two vertical lines. Next, after that, make a pair from right side, 25. Now, dividend with the squaring table. 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3. This type no. 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49. In this way table used for division. So 6, 1 1 ja 1, very small. 2 2 ja 4, small. 3 3 ja 9, larger. So 2 2 ja 4. Write to here. With take same gap. Take some gap. After write 2. Next to write below of these two. On dry line. So 2 2 ja 4. Now subtract 6 minus 4, 2. Here 2 plus 2, add 4. Now pair, bring a pair, 25. So 4 here. Check 4, right? 4 1 here, 4 1 ja, 41 1 ja, 41, very small. Check, take 5 times. 5 5 ja 25 or 5. 4 5 ja 20 plus 5, 25. So 5 times. Quotient is 5. Next one 5 here. One below of this. Now multiplies 225. 5 5 cancel. 2 2 cancel. 2 2 cancel. Add it. 5 5 10. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5. This is the double of quotient, 25 to the 50. Now write it, therefore, a square root of 625 equal to 25 answer. Now one example again with long division method of exercise 3. Exercise 3, question number 2. 1440. Find the square root of 1444. 1444 by long division method. So write it in between two vertical lines. 1444. Make a pair from right side. Here 14. 2 2 ja 4. 3 3 ja 9. 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja 16. So 3 3 ja 9. Quotient is 3 3 ja 9. Write with take same gap. So 3 3 are 9. 14 minus 9, 5. Now 44. 3 3 6. Now check it. 6. What is 4? 8 times. 8 times. So we 8 8 is 64. 4 here. So check 8 times. 8 8 is 64 for 4. Carry 6. 6 6 is 48. 48 plus 6. 54. So 8 times. 544. Cancel it. Add it. 6. 6 plus 1 7. 38 2 ja 76. Right. Therefore under root 1444 equal to 38. Answer. My dear students, 2 questions write on your board of exercise 3, question number 10 and 14. First of all, I solve here question number 10. Question number 10. Find the square root of 19,600. Right? 19,600 between two vertical lines. Make a pair from right side. 1 1 ja 1. 1 time. Right here 1. Right also below. 1 1 ja 1. 1 1 cancel. Add. Then 1 plus 1 2. Now come 96. 96. Here 4 times. 4 times. 24 for the 96. So cancel it. Now double 0 come here and 0 time. 4 4 8 2 0 time. Write 0 here. Cancel it. Therefore under root 19,600 equal to 140. Answer. And write this question. And next question is find the least number must be subtracted from 7,581 to obtain a perfect square. Find this perfect square and its square root. Write 7,581 between two vertical lines. Make a pair. 8 8 is 64. 9 9 is 81. So 8 8 is 8 8 is 64. 5 minus 4 1. 7 minus 6 1. 81. 8 plus 8 16. Now check here. 16 7 times. 7 7 ja 49 for 9. 6 7 ja 42 plus 4 46. So 6 here. Now 1 7 ja 7 plus 4 11. So 7 times 1 1 6 9. 11 minus 9 2. Here 7 minus 6 1. 1 1 cancel. 12. So the required number number 12. Least number subtracted number 12. Perfect square number subtracted 7,581 minus 12 equal to subtracted 11 minus 2 9 7 minus 1 6 5 7. Now a square root of this perfect square, under root 7 5 6 9. 7 5 6 9 equal to 87. 87 answer of this question. Write it. Question number 16. Write on your board of exercise 3. Find the least number which must be added to 8400 to obtain a perfect square. Find this perfect square and its square roots. First of all, by long division method, find the square root of 8400. Write 8400 between two vertical lines. Make a pair from right side. 84. 9 times 9 9 ja 81. 4 minus 1 3. 8 into 8. 8 minus 8 cancel. 9 plus 9 18. Now double zero comes here 300. So only one time. 181 subtract it. 10 minus 1 9. 9 minus 8 1 and 2 minus 1 1. Now the least number, the required number equal to 91 here, but remaining 119. So 91 plus 1, that means 92 square minus 8400. 92 square means 8464 minus 8400 equal to 64. One answer. Now here perfect square. Perfect square equal to 8464. Yeah, 8464. One answer also it's. And therefore a square root of 8464. It is the square of 92. So the square root of 8464 equal to 64. Answer of this question. Right? And now solve one question also. Last question. Question number 19. Care here of question number 19. In question number 19, a square field, the area of this square field is 60,025 meter square, and a speed of a cyclist is 18 kilometer per hour. So first of all, change a speed 18 kilometer per hour. It's change into meter per second. 18 kilometer change into meter, multiply by 100. Multiply by 1000. And hour change into second. So first multiply 60 minute, multiply 60 second. Double zero cancel. 6 3 ja 18. 3 2 ja 6. 2 5 ja 10. So 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second speed. Now first of all, side of the field. Find side of the field. Side of the field equal to under root area. Under root area. So area is 60,025 meter square. Find the square root of 60,025 meter square is 2045 meter. So distance, find distance. Distance equal to perimeter. Perimeter equal to 4 into side. So 4 into 245 meter. 400 multiply 5 4 ja 20. 980 meter. Now find the time. Therefore, time equal to distance by a speed. So distance here 980 meter and time is 5 meter per second. Meter cancel. Divided 980 by 5. 5 1 ja 5. Here 4. 8. 5 9 ja 45. 5 6 ja. That means 196 second. Change, divide it's 60. So 63 ja 180. So 3 minute 16 second answer of this question. Thank you. That's all.